What's going on, guys? It's Wyatchi here with another video. Today we return to the mysterious floating island in Roblox. Don't press the button.
Oh, look, it's a disco party.
Yeah! Disco party!
Yeah.
Disco party! Tornado! Tornado!
Yeah, look.
Oh, goodness! Oh!
Someone said, tacos.
Get me out of here.
No, it's
press
not.
that button. Press that button. Press that button.
The button.
You want me to fight? Die. Die. Dang it.
Jam out with me. Jam out with me.
You're not jamming out.
It's the only email I have, okay?
Yo, I have a statue down there.
Yeah.
Press that button. Press that
Press the
button.
button.
Press that button.
Yo, look, I have a statue.
Yeah. Okay, what even happened? Oh. Woo! We gotta land on the target. Yay!
I went on the target.
Same. Fall
Yeah.
down the stairs. Press that button. Lava is rising. Quick, get to the top.
Hello. Ah. Ah. Ah.
We
Hey,
made
look,
it to
it's
the top.
Screech.
Where? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna push him off.
I push him off.
Yeah, push Screech
Yeah,
off.
push off. Push him off.
Press it. Who pressed it?
I don't know.
It's nighttime.
Ah.
Oh! Oh, this is kind of scary.
Oh, I died.
Yep, we're all dead. We're all dead.
Just go on the button and you might
We're
be
all
safe.
dead. Yep, we're all dead.
Screech.
Okay, Simon says. Yellow.
Yellow! Ah! I was already on yellow, but I moved to a different yellow.
Simon says pink.
Yay! I like pink. My favorite color, pink.
Simon says green.
Ah!
Simon says yellow. Yellow. Simon says red. Simon says yellow. Get on, pick a corner.
I picked blue.
I picked green. When you go green, you never go back.
I'm on blue. And
Okay. I didn't know it was still going. Press it, press it, press it. Yeah! Get to the other side. We gotta get to the other side.
And what will happen if we don't?
We fall, maybe? Yeah, we probably fall. Everybody has happy boots!
I am so
Happy boots! Let's go!
moon boots.
Hoppy boots.
Hey, Screech, press the button. Why, Screech?
Stop it.
Get rid of the Screech. Get rid of the Screech.
Oh, jeez. What are you doing?
Hi.
cheating?
No. This is not called cheating. This is called strategy. This is called
What are you doing?
This is called strategy.
Okay. I have 25 coins.
I see you above me.
Press it, press it, press it, press it. I'm pressing it, I'm pressing it, I'm pressing it. Ooh, what happened?
I'm
What
not
happened?
moving.
What even happened?
I don't know, but I'm not.
Press that button.
Ah! It's Baldy!
Baldy!
Is Baldy friendly? I think Baldy's friendly.
Is he?
Yeah, he's friendly.
Press it.
Dogs!
And cats. Can we grab the dogs and cats? Oh my gosh, we can drift. Bro, we can drift.
Look at me!
I'm small.
Look at me, I'm drifting.
Why are we drifting?
I'm drifting.
Aw, I mean,
Hey, look at this person.
is it bad that we're big now?
Yes.
I survived?
I survived too.
How did we survive? Oh, jeez.
That was close.
Yeah. Winners remaining? What do you mean? Oh, speed run.
I am great at parkour. I am great at parkour.
Wee. It's a speed running obby.
I'm good at speed running obbies. I mean, look at this.
Woo!
Yay! I
Yay!
got a crown.
And I got a badge.
Where's my crown?
You died, so you don't get the crown.
Whatever
I am
doing.
King Wyatchi with my floating crown. I claim myself King Wyatchi.
I could call myself King Master Rainbows.
You don't have a crown.
I'm getting one.
At least you have credit for winning.
You can't get a crown. Hope you lose your crown. Well, how's that dude so fast?
Maybe they bought a speed coil. Run. He's going to get you. Who?
Ah!
Ah! What?
Yay, Squeech is in jail!
Wait, what? What is happening?
Squeech is in jail!
Where? Who's gonna get me?
Ah! This dude with the glasses.
Click.
Wow!
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Time to race. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Woohoo! Let me win the race! Yay!
Yay! Hey, why don't I have a crown? I won
You
this.
died.
Yeah.
That's why. Press it. Who is that? Mwahaha! You will feel our power. Meteor rain. Why doggone it, this will be easy.
I'm just gonna stay here.
They don't even kill?
I'm just staying.
The meteors don't even kill.
I'm staying over here.
I wanna die!
I'm safe.
That's all for now, but we will come back. Press it. Oh! 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 Explosion! Explosions! Explosions! Why are there explosions?
I'm just staying.
My crown!
Yay! You're not King Wyatchi anymore.
Be quiet. Give me this.
Now you're King Poop.
Whoa! What happened to our heads?
A big brain.
Aw. Why'd our heads disappear? Click it. Ooh, a cannon. Nice! Whee! This is fun!
Yeah.
That was so very fun.
Wait, watch this.
You.
Some easy
Ah!
Some easy parkour.
Yeah, this is an easy obby.
Yeah.
But
it's
not
easy.
when there's a tsunami coming. There is a tsunami on its way.
Easy. Made it. Well, that's so easy.
There's a goodbye to the tsunami.
Whee! I'm still alive.
Bop, 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 bop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Hello, Fresh. It's a fresh truck with a Jeep. With a Jeep on it. Whoa, where are we, Rainbows?
We're in the clouds.
Woo! How did we manage to get here?
I don't know. Hey, what's this?
I will click this button.
Shove it. Shove it.
Click the button.
Why am I so tiny?
We're tiny?
I'm tiny.
Why are you the only one tiny?
I don't know.
Okay, we gotta
tiny!
dodge the red ones.
I'm tiny.
That's not my problem. You're gonna.
No, I'm not tiny anymore.
No! I'm gonna die! Yay! Whoa! What is this? Whoa! Button. Press it. Bombs! Woo! Jeez!
Tiny.
I wonder if I can buy anything in the shop.
Yeah, there's some parkour, some easy
Oh, yeah.
parkour.
Ah! I died.
This is easy.
Why did I have to die?
From an easy parkour. This is easy. Easy. Where's my tininess?
I don't know. How'd you get the tininess?
I spent Robux on it.
Whoa! We're big.
We're big.
Yeah!
Yeah, we're big. Yeah. Yeah, we're big. Yeah. Yeah.
We're big.
I want to be big again. I want my bigness. Where's my big? Are we skydiving?
Whoa! Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time in the next video. Peace
Love.
out.